Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. Myself, Dr. Ahmad Sheikh, PhD, DSc, Doctor of Science, Head of Chemistry Department, Maharashtra College, Mumbai University, President, Islamic Vision Research Center. Today I will share with you eyes, the mirror of heart. Remember, eye is the scout of heart. It conveys whatever it sees. And here, the eye has got different parts. All the parts joined together, they make a nice vision. The white part of the eye, that is called sclera, it encloses the pupil, black dot, the black spot. And it is noticed that the most important part of the eye is a transparent, flexible tissue, that is the lens. Light enters through it and it focuses and makes the image just like cornea on the retina. There are 140 receptors for light made up of cone and rods, numbering 7 millions and 130 millions respectively. Cones are responsible for intense light and color, whereas rods are responsible for faint, moderate light and color. Cones and rods together make the retina of eye. It is noticed that for the movement of eye, 6 muscles contract and 24 ligaments work together to get a nice vision. Whereas for the coordination of eye, cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla come in action. It is noticed that the retina has got 10 layers, where the cones and rods are of single layer. The eye has got 7 layers having each of specific characteristics and function. If during operation, surgery, if one of the layer gets damaged, then eyesight is lost, which happens very often due to the negligence of doctors. In the midst of all these 7 layers, there is a pupil which encompasses, which encloses from east to west the entire horizon as well as from sky to earth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala declares in the glorious Quran, chapter number 23, Surah Mu'minun, verse number 78, وَهُوَ الَّذِي أَنْشَأَ لَكُمُ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَالْأَفْئِدَةَ قَلِيلًا مَا تَشْكُرُونَ. He is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the one who has given you hearing, sight and understanding, men's ears, eyes and heart. What a little thanks you give. Same verse is repeated in chapter number 50, Surah Qaf, verse number 37, chapter number 46, Surah Qaf, verse number 26, chapter number 6, Surah Anam, verse number 110. And further Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving warning that how, where you should your eye under all the circumstances. Allah warns in the glorious Quran in chapter number 17, Surah Bani Israel, verse number 36. Inna sam'a wal basar wal fu'ad kullu ulaika kana anhu mas'ula. Indeed, the ear, the eyes and the heart, all will be questioned on the day of judgment. So it is we are responsible for its proper and improper use, and accordingly will be rewarded on the day of judgment. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.